Page 57, good news. Now we're talking about another use for that curved line. And this time it's called a tie. They talk about it up above. It simply ties two notes together. And the rules are the two notes involved have to be the same note, the same pitch, the same key on the piano. Can't be different ones. It can only be two of them. You can't tie more than two together at a time. If you have three or four that you all want tied together, you have to tie each pair, each two together. And the idea is you play the first note and hold it down for the length of both notes. You tie them together. Here, if you look at the second line, the last two measures, in the right hand you have that D, and it's got a curved line. It's actually got two curved lines. Well, the bottom curved line is the phrase. That's the slur, that's the big one. But this other one is the tie. And this is where it can get confusing because it's the same symbol. So just know that in the last two measures, when you play that D, you're going to hold it down for both. You're going to hold it down for 6 counts because a dotted half note gets 3 counts. Remember, a half note gets 2, and the dot gets half of that, which is 1. Put them together, and you get 3 total. It's very common in 3/4 time, which did you notice the time signature on this is 3/4 time? We're only counting to 3, but we're still counting quarter notes, so it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's how ties work. So I'd like to play this with you slowly. It's repeated. We're going to repeat it. You're in C position to start. I'm only going to give us 3 counts now because there's only 3 beats in a measure. The number of beats I give when I count in is according to the time signature. So go ahead and put your hands in C position. Now let's play this together slowly. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, repeat. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3, off. There's a duet at the bottom. I'd like to play that, and you can play what you just played. But again, I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend middle C just goes up an octave here, so your hands go up here, and play it up here. Now we will repeat it because it has a repeat sign. So I'm going to give us 3 counts, and let's play it together. 1, ready, go.